Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce my name. My name is Muhammad Rudi Kriti Septian, and today I'm gonna make a video presentation about the element of the short story. Now, the first element is a summary. Now, the summary of the story Groom Like Shahrukh by Vidhan Verma. And Paro and Manju, a close friend. After watch Shahrukh movie Dilwale Dulhania Le Jayenge, they decide to have a common love interest, that he should wear a jeans pant and should have a clean mustache or not have a mustache. But 3 years later, the families of these two girls start looking for a groom. The girl keep praying for a groom like Shahrukh or like they want, but the final decision is on their parents, and their views would not likely be heard or let alone be considered by their parents. And then Manju was the first to get engaged to Fauna Klal, the wealthy son of a moneylender. But he also had a alcoholic problem. Actually, he was met the Shahrukh standard, and despite his drinking problem, the 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 uh the Fauna Klal wealth had always been pragmatic consideration, so her family agreed to marry them, and she was married off in a hurry ceremony and after many tears. And then her best friend Paro feel a sense of loneliness after heard the Manju news that he had already been married. Paro was already sending many proposals to find a groom, but she still struggled to find a right person or right groom, and failed for many reasons. And one day, finally, her brother had found a groom for Paro. Her groom was a soldier. However, Paro did not have a chance to see her groom face before the wedding. Unfortunately, Paro husband had upcoming deployment, and the groom family forced them to rush their marriage. And even on the wedding day, Paro can confirm if her groom was not have a mustache or not, because his face was covered by floral sehra. When their first night together, she was obviously nervous to find the truth that his groom have a mustache or not, and she found out that the groom married her without seeing her face either. Then he said that he always wanted to marry a woman with pretty gray eyes like the Bollywood artist Atiswarya Ray. So that's the summary of the story Groom Like Shahrukh by Vidhan Verma. And the second point is social issues that reflect in the story. So the social issues that I found in this story is, number one is woman discrimination, and the proof is on the text. Wait, I kind of forget it. When the family start looking for a groom, the girls keep fervently prayed for a groom that looks like Shahrukh, but the final decision is on their parents, and their views were not likely being heard or let alone be considered by their parents. And the second social issues that I found in the story is economic consideration in marriage, and the proof is on the text. Although her parents were a little reluctant to marry her to a known alcoholic, it was none of Manju doing that influenced the decision. But the Bania's wealth had been a pragmatic consideration. So that is the social issues that I found in these stories. And the last topic is what can be added, changed, or done differently in Paru and Manju to enhance their agency in a woman. I think that first they can say what type of groom that they want to their parents, because if they don't say and just accept what their parents want, so their parents just gonna do what they want without reconsider what Paru and Manju wants. and because every person is had rights to choose their couples of lovers, so they must say what type of groom that they want to their parents, or try to talk about it with their parents. And second is go seek for help. Seek for help is joining a social support system like feminism movement, or seek for help in seek for help seek for help in a joining a social support system like feminist movement and community like that support women rights, because if they join that community, they have a higher rate that they want is being hurt by their parents, not being and the rates not being hurt by them, and their parent is try to reconsider it. Yeah, something like that. And last, I think just two opinion in my thing right now. So that is what can be add, change, or done differently in Baru and Maju marriage to enhance their agency as a woman. So that's all for my presentation. Thank you very much for listening from the start until the end. Goodbye, see ya.